Alright, today I'm replacing the rather ugly factory plastic piece that comes with the car with a JPM Coachworks Alcantara covered unit. And I guess I'll be walking you through this. So first I've got a tool here that lets me slide under the edge without really marring the plastics and rubbers underneath. And you just kind of lift it in there, twist, and pop it out. I'm also going to be taking pictures as I do this, so it'll be obnoxious. Because, yeah. So, once that's out, grab your new piece. And in theory, it should fit right over and require a little bit of pressure to get it all in. And it feels like there's no gap, so it should now be good. And that's it. It's a quick install.